Yeah, today our topic is warehouse stock management. Okay, this is very important. First, I am going to ECC. Just go to MMBE stock overview here. Here, if we see here, unrestricted, quality, reserved, receipt reservation, on order, consignment order, stock transport, storage location transfer, GR blocked stock, scheduled for delivery, returns, blocked, issuing via some SIT, receiving value SIT. These are their stocks in ECC. Unrestricted, quality inspection, reserved receipt reservation, GR blocked, returns, and etc. Now, here I am differentiating this. Unrestricted, quality, blocked, returns. Only four I am differentiating. Now we can see these four are satisfying entire stock types or not. Unrestricted, false unrestricted. Quality inspection comes under quality inspection. Reserved, nobody can reserve either quality or black stock. So definitely that should be unrestricted. Receipt reservation, same, unrestricted only. On order stock, nobody can raise any orders for quality inspected stocks or blacked stocks or return stocks. This falls under unrestricted. Consignment order, unrestricted. STO, unrestricted. Transfer storage location, unrestricted. GR blocked stock. Scheduled for delivery. No one can schedule delivery for blocked stock or quality inspection stock. That should be the unrestricted only. Returns fall under return stocks. Blocked falls under blocked stock. And issuing SIT, some receiving value SIT, etc. Something is there. Those also under unrestricted. If we see our ECC stock types or else any other ERP stock types only categorized into four: unrestricted, quality, blocked, returns. These only. Okay, only four. Whatever it may be the stock type here, that falls under these four only. Any of these four only. Unrestricted. And assume that here I am using SAP ECC. For this, these are their stock types. These I am calling as stock types or stock categories, whatever it may be. This calling as stock types. Actual daily we are using with ECC, MM or SD or whatever it may be. We never think about that. This falls under only four stock types or stock categories. Okay. Now we are connecting our ECC to EWM system. That's why we are thinking about those. These are the stock types. These only the four. Apart from this, we cannot find out any other. Okay. Say for example, unrestricted custom or unrestricted non-custom products. Assume that custom products or non-custom products. Those also falls under or unrestricted only. Okay. Those also falls under unrestricted only. Okay. Like these things. Okay. Now, these are the 4 stock types. If I connect this system to EWM, along with this stock types, we need to maintain the along with word with reference to this. With reference to this 4, we need to manage our EWM stocks. We need to manage our EWM stocks with reference to this 4. And these 4 stock types are calling as a non-location dependent stock types. Non-location dependent stock types. NST. These 4. Okay. These 4 are non-location dependent stock types in EWM. Why non-location dependent stock type means? Non-location means those are not born in the EWM system. We are adopting from other ERP system. That meaning those are not born in our system. We are adopting from some other system. That's why I'm calling as a non-location dependent stock types. These are the. As for the SAP standard, they have given some names as FF, unrestricted, QQ, quality, RR, returns, BB, blocked. These 4 stock types are maintained as a non-location dependent stock types in the EWM, naming with FFQQ, RR. Okay. And please note that these naming conventions are applying if my EWM is connected to a SAP ECC only. So if I connect with non-SAP ERP, maybe in that system they have their different naming conventions. Maybe ZF, ZQ, or MM, whatever it may be. There's these 4 naming conventions are applying for SAP ECC system. Okay, these are a non-location dependent stock types, unrestricted. Say I am mapping my warehouse like this. I am mapping my warehouse like this. Say for example, whenever I got the inbound delivery and GR, that should be treated as a unrestricted stock in putaway. Means under putaway unrestricted stocks. Once after GR, after GR, I am adding that also after GR. I want to manage my stock, this thing, unrestricted stock in putaway in EWM system. If it's OBD, sorry, not OBD, sorry, same IBD. After putaway, I want to manage my stocks, unrestricted stock in warehouse. Unrestricted stock in warehouse. Once after doing the GR, the stock should be maintained as a unrestricted stock in putaway, and after put away completion, after put away unrestricted stock in warehouse, I want to manage it. I want to manage it. Means if we see these two sentences from SAP ECC, we are getting FF, unrestricted stock. This FF is turning into F1, unrestricted stock in put away, or unrestricted stock in warehouse. From the ECC system, we are getting FF. With reference to FF, I am differentiating two types. One is unrestricted stock in put away, another one is unrestricted stock in warehouse. Dividing it. How it's possible? How it's possible? We have one interface called interface or terminology control parameter, whatever it may be. Availability group. We have availability group concept. Standard is 001 and 002 are there. What I can say, if my FF using with availability group, I can manage like this: F1, F2. Okay. Here I am using one concept called availability group to divide my FF into two parts, F1 and F2. F1 and F2. Okay. This is EWM side. In ECC, I want to see my goods in receive on dock storage location if it is under F1 stock type, means unrestricted stock type. Instead typing lengthy word, I am using F1. I want to see my goods in ROD storage location if it is under F1 stock. F1 is unrestricted stock in put away. Then I want to see my goods in AFS if it is with F2 stock. Available for sale, receive on dock, storage locations. Here, AFSI is a storage location, ROD is a storage location. Yes, lock. I want to see. Is it possible? Yes, possible. How? Simple. We connect AGP availability groups are to storage locations. We connect availability group to storage locations. Okay. Here, one availability group is dividing FF2, F1 and F2. That availability group we map to our storage locations. Then what happened? Automatically stocks updated in storage locations accordingly. Okay, this is the setup. We can manage the stocks. Then we see what are the configuration parts required, and where we maintain and etc. etc. First, what I can do, we have one inbound open purchase order is there. First, I process and we will track storage locations where it is managing and etc. Then we will come to the configuration part. Go to VL31N 22380. This is very simple, sir, but some tricky also there. Stock management 01 5 stock I am taking. Okay, storage location we need to maintain it. From purchase order, storage location is not there. That's the problem, I think. This is distributed 11037. This is distributed. Come to EWM system. Extended warehouse management, delivery processing, inbound delivery, maintain inbound delivery notification, AAPL. This one. Go to inbound delivery. Okay. Just to have a look. Again, we discuss. Here it is showing F1. Have a look. We will discuss later. I am doing goods receipt. Go to MMBE in ECC. See here it is showing unrestricted 5 stock in the ROD. Now I am doing the put away. Before that, we can check either this material is extended for our warehouse or not. Sorry, storage location. One more is there, right? MMSC. See here, this is not extended. AAFS. Okay, I am extending. Yeah. See here now, once the stocks in unrestricted and put away, that is showing in ROD. Now here, before going to further, very briefly we discuss about one tool, reporting tool, warehouse monitor. Warehouse monitor. Here, this is the warehouse monitor is a centralized tool to use for the reporting within the EWM, and we cannot find out any other reports apart from this warehouse monitor. Like we have MMBE, MB51, MB52, lot of things are there, ME2L, ME2N, ME2S, etc. etc. Number of hundreds of reports available in SAP ECC environment according to the module wise. But coming to the EWM, we have only one standard report called monitor. For that, transaction is SCWM mon transaction. How do we access through system? Go to EG axis, extended warehouse management, monitoring. The first one is the warehouse management monitor. come to here. Here it is taking to some other screen. Here what is the warehouse number, what is the monitor. Yeah, sorry, some disturbance is there from home. Yeah, monitor, standard monitor. In last sessions I will show you custom monitors also. Last, not now. This is the tool. Against my warehouse I am using a standard monitor. Go to here. This is divided into three parts normally. This is divided into three parts. Left side is the process wise. Left side is process wise nodes, and here this two parts horizontal. First it is vertically divided into two parts. Again right side vertical portion is divided into two parts. This is the header area and this is the item area. This is the header area, this is the item area. Now in coming further classes maybe daily we open this monitor. Okay, just have a overview. Now I want to see my stock position of AIPL mat1 product. Go to here, one of the node stock and bin. Here physical stock, click on here AIPL mat1. Actually I connected from my home. My cookies are doing something there. Okay, now if we come to stock and bin, physical stock, I have given my product this one. Now it is coming. See here stock type F1. This is the here also form view is there. Go to form view. Storage bin APL GR staging bin. This is the staging bin. We see after goods received the stock is lying within this bin, means GR staging, and the stock type is unrestricted put away. Stock type is unrestricted put away. Okay, this one, this one. Now I am planning to do put away for this product. Go to here. And in further sessions, we are going to discuss about the warehouse task on this thing. Today, our concentration only stock management. Just I am creating one warehouse task and I am doing put away. Further sessions, we are going to discuss this. Okay. Just our concentration on stock management. Just I am trying to keep my product into this slow storage type of this bin. Now go to monitor. I did some put away and I confirmed that put away warehouse orders and etc. Now where my stock is lying, we can check. Now the stock is showing in this bin. The stock is showing in this bin and stock is not yet updated. It should be F2 unrestricted in warehouse. Some small setup is there. We have forgotten during the configuration. Ignore this test case. I am coming with one more test case. Ignore this. Ignore this test case, sir. Just I am changing this some setup, and I will explain you after completing the test case. Now I am coming with one more test case. Go to VL31N, stock management 02, some 9 items. Oh, sorry. Sir, could you please beat yourselves? Some noise is coming. Receive and DAC. Now it is distributed 11038. I am coming to EWM. This one. Got inbound delivery. Goods received. 9 quantity. Goods receipt is completed. Just cross verify in our MME. It should be 14. Now this one is updated. Now I am doing put away for my 9 quantities. One sec. I am cancelling this. And I want to place this stock in some other bin. In further sessions, we are going to discuss about put away strategies, warehouse tasks, warehouse orders, and everything. Not in this. This bin I am keeping. We need to see the difference between stock types in ECC as well as EWM. What is happening here? Why system is becoming slow? One sec. Suddenly it got slow. Yes. Now I am confirming this. Yes. Now I am going to monitor again stock and bin. Physical stock. Same product. Ignore this previous thing. Ignore this previous line. Now my stock 9 quantity is available in bin and it is showing as F2. Open our form view. Once after keeping in the final put away bin, it is showing as a F2 unrestricted use of warehouse, unrestricted use in warehouse. Now, what happened after put away within the ECC system, we can check. What happened in ECC system? Go to ECC, refresh it. See here, the 9 stock is updating in AAFS storage location available for sale. Why it is updated, how it is updated, where is the link? These are our open questions. Okay, mute yourself, sir. Some noise is coming. Okay, and why it is updated, where it is updated, how it is updated. This is open questions. These are open questions. If you observe in our monitor, when the stock is showing as a F1 stock type, it is in ROD storage location. Once it is turned into F2, it is showing 9, showing in available for sale storage location. Means according to our EWM stock types, the stock updation is happening between the storage locations in ECC system. Where is this configuration and how it is mapped, we can check. Okay, this thing. As well as first I do the goods receipt. First I do the goods receipt in EWM system, that is updating 101. Yesterday we have seen. Once the stock is placed in the final storage bin, what is the movement type happened within the ECC system? Now we can check. Go to material movements. 411 movement type. Where to where? Open it. See here. Transfer posting is happened from, sir, some disturbance is coming. Sir. Yeah. Some tempo will come. I'm muting all. Okay. If we see this material document in ECC system after put away, one transfer posting is happened with 411 movement type from where to where? ROD, AROD storage location to AAFS storage location. AROD storage location to AAFS storage location. So, if we go to after goods received, what is the material movement document? 101 only. 101. Against ROD. See, what is happening in ECC system after goods receipt? First 101 document type, 101 movement type document is created against our AROD storage location. Then we placed into the respective storage bin or final storage bin. One more 411 movement document is created from storage location to storage location. Wait, please. Okay, this thing. One 411 movement document is created against the put away. Okay, this thing means according to our F1 and F2, here storage location updations are happened according to F1 and F2. When the stock is with F1, that is showing in AROD. Once the stock type is moving F2, that is showing in AFS. How? Where is the configuration? We will check in EWM system. Go to SPRO IMG in EWM system. SPRO IMG. SEM extended warehouse management, goods receipt process, configure availability group for put away, configure available group for put away. Go to here. First we discuss this and then we discuss it. Define non-location dependent stock types. See here, four are there: standard ones, unrestricted use, blocked stock, quality inspection, and stock returns, blocked stock returns. Normally this returns, customer returns they use. Customer returns. Okay, this thing. Now define availability groups. Here some availability groups are there. 001, 002 are there. Keep this for some couple of weeks. Assume that just 001, 002 are there, and description is goods in put away and goods completely available here. This thing availability groups. Okay, two availability groups are there. Now come to configure stock types. Go to here, select our warehouse. These are warehouse, and we are playing with unrestricted only, right? We go to unrestricted stock, this thing, and append non-location dependent stock type FF combination. I am pulling this one, and again combination only 01 and 02. Okay, not a problem. From here we can check, very limited. Okay, now availability groups 01, 02. Here this one 01, 02. Just concentrate on these two lines. If we see here, non-location dependent stock type FF is differentiated into F1, F2 according to availability groups. According to availability groups. This FF is differentiated into two types according to availability groups. In middle, availability groups is there. Right side, non-location dependent stock types NST. Non-location dependent stock type. Next one, F1 and F2. These are bifurcated according to availability groups. Now, where these availability groups are mapping to our storage locations. Got it, sir? Here, see here, from the ECC, we are getting FF and non-location dependent stock type. Now, according to availability group, this is divided into two parts, F1 and F2. Okay, that is fine. Okay, but why? Yeah, but why or how this F1, F2 updating the stocks in ECC, that we can check. Okay, go to some other configurations. SPRO, SEM extended warehouse management, interfaces, ERP integration, goods movements, map storage locations from ERP system to EWM. Go to our plant. Go to our plant. See here, logical system EH7 CLNT 800. This is the logical system of this logical system's plant storage locations are connected to 001 and 002. One storage location is connected to 001 and another storage location AAFS is connected to 002. Okay, and the meantime, this availability group is dividing FF non-location stock type to F1 and F2. That's what whenever I have the stock type F1, that is updating into one storage location with the help of this availability group. This one. Now my question is it not possible to have multiple account groups into a single storage location? We can check. We can check. We create one availability group, custom availability group, and we can check. Go to configure availability group. Define availability group. New entries. AIPL Z01. Custom availability group. Custom AGP. I'm creating. Availability groups. Okay. These things. Now I'm trying to assign it to storage location AAFS. Z001. Z01. Target key must be different from source key. So it's not possible. And please note that storage location and availability group combination always 1:1. Always 1:1. Storage location availability group combination always 1:1. Okay, this thing. Now, for better
Sir,
understand,
if I am
yeah, please.
sir, if I am having only one storage location, how to manage?
Simple, only one storage location. You cannot find out unrestricted put away and high unrestricted warehouse. Just you have a single word unrestricted. Nothing is there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And it's not
No
mandatory.
F1 and F2. Just no F1 F2. We need to create one FX and we need to map like that.
Yes, exactly, exactly. Correct. And it's not mandatory to
Okay.
have two storage locations. With single storage location also, it is possible to work with EWM. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Sir,
yeah,
one more question, sir. If I have multiple plants and multiple storage locations, let's say 1,000 plants and each plant having 20 storage locations,
yeah.
how to deal this type of situation, sir?
Situation means, say,
I have 20,
yeah. Do you want to maintain
I
one,
have
right?
yes.
Okay. Just you can do one
We need,
thing.
we need combinations are yeah, we need to add ROD and AFS to the existing and we need to proceed.
First thing, you have 100 plants, 1,000 storage
Okay.
locations.
Okay.
All these are connected to how many warehouses?
This will be same, I think.
Same, not sir. How many warehouses?
Okay.
Only one?
One warehouse. Only
Okay.
one warehouse.
That is first question. The next question.
Okay.
All your plants and storage locations are in same ECC or different ECC?
It is in same ECC.
Yeah. Okay. Now, come to here. Your plant is separate, storage location is separate. and storage
Okay.
location and availability group combination is 1:1. If you want
Okay.
to go with multiple storage locations and multiple dealings, create your own availability groups and map within this table. Okay, I am going to show a demonstration now with third storage location. Okay,
Okay.
now, yeah, Raghu, something you want to ask?
Yeah, I mean, in one of our friend asked, I mean, like, only one storage location, and then
Okay,
uh,
okay,
in
yeah.
in that case, this 411 movement type will how it will have
No,
both.
that cannot come. That cannot come. Only 101
Oh,
we
direct.
have. Yeah,
Oh, 10. Okay.
yeah.
Sir, this 411 will be created via function module, sir.
Yes,
Inbuilt
yes,
function module
exactly, exactly. On that day, we have seen right distribution model.
method.
Distribution model
Okay.
there. Within this five function modules are there. Two are save replicas. One is for inbound. Another one is for outbound. One is request changes. Fifth one that can cause.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Now, yeah, I'm going to now. Yeah, this is fine. Uh, how my stock got F1 for our inbound delivery. In inbound delivery, it was showing F1. What is the reason? Where is the setup? First, again, I come with inbound delivery, new test case, VL31N. How it is coming? One double 11039. Go to delivery processing, inbound delivery. Come to inbound delivery notification. Here F1 is coming. Means how means our AROD location is maintained with 001, right? So we are doing inbound delivery against our AROD storage location. So from inbound delivery notification itself, it is coming. F1 notification itself, it is coming. Inbound delivery notification itself, it is coming. The same is carrying to inbound delivery. Inbound delivery. Okay, this thing. Now, after put away, why it is turned? Why it is turned as F2? Go to that storage type. Define storage type. Yes, exactly, Srikanth. AGP is related to plant plus storage location combination. Not only the plant, plant plus storage location availability group. Storage type slow. Coming to goods movement control, here I have maintained 002 along with mandatory button. In earlier case, five quantities are there, those still F1 is there, right? At that time, I asked you to ignore that test case. At that time, this mandatory field is not there. That's why that is not updated. Okay, yes, 002. See here in the slow storage type, we have maintained 002 along with mandatory. Okay, that's what this is updated. Now I am going to show you one test case with our own availability group and own stock type and etc. and with third storage location. First go to ECC OX09 transaction code to create the new storage location. New entries AGST
Uh,
GST.
Just one
Yeah,
question.
please. Yeah, please.
We have two storage locations. One is AEFS and the other one is AROD.
Correct.
So when we create IBD, we are giving AROD.
Correct.
After goods receipt, after goods receipt, we are keeping that unrestricted stock. It is receipt on dock, right?
Correct. Correct.
So can we put unrestricted stock and quality stock and block stock at the same in the same storage location?
Yes, exactly. Say, for example, if my product is subjected to quality management, means in ECC, if we maintain quality management views and if we activate the inspection types, right?
Yeah,
According to
yeah.
that, here that should be updated with some other Q1 and etc. Okay. Yeah. Now, here GST products I want to keep in one separate storage location. GST products, assume that. In warehouse also GST products I want to uh, map in separate storage type GST. Go to EWM, define availability group, new entries. Warehouse is AAPL, GST is my availability group, GST products. Okay, and I need one more stock type here. FF I am turning to unrestricted GST product also stock type where we maintain the stock types F1 and F2. We need to define it first. For that, go to cross processing settings under delivery and warehouse requests. One sec. We need to maintain stock types. Yeah. I go with the find. Very rare we can use this. That's why. Define stock types. Yes. It's under master data product stock types. Define stock types. Master data product. Go to here. No. Okay, we will check. Go to here. Same. Here it came. Okay. One sec. Hold on, please. Yes. We copy F2. APL. Stock type is Z2. This one is for GST. GST. Okay. This one. Saving it. Now I will show you my warehouse. Z2. If I am bifurcating my FF into Z2 also, stock type Z2, if the availability group is GST. If the availability group is GST, okay, this thing Z2, this one. One sec, some area is there to maintain the description also. Define stock types, determine stock type, yeah. Determine stock types. Here, yeah. Determine stock type, it's under Lime basic settings, determine stock type. Here, Z2, I want to change the description. If we will not give automatically taking this one, AAPL GST stocks. GST stocks. Okay. Now I am going to create a new storage type to keep all GST products. New storage types. Go to SCM Extended Warehouse Management. Master data. Define storage type. New, this one. In my warehouse. GST is my storage type. AAPL GST products. GST products. And the minimum configuration I am giving. Put-away rules are general. There is no restrictions. Confirm stock removal. Coming to here, I am using availability group is GST and mandatory button. Okay, this one means if I move any stock into this storage location, that will be adopt the stock type Z2. Adopt the stock type Z2. Okay, this thing. Now I require one bin /n /SCWM /LS01 GST bin in the GST storage type. Okay. Now come to configuration again. Under the interfaces, ERP integration, goods movements, map storage location from ERP to EWM. Here I am maintaining plant AAPL storage location. Which one? AGST or single GST? We can check. Forgotten.
AGST.
Yeah, one sec, sir. Yeah, AGST. AGST and logical system. This one AAPL warehouse number here Z02. Sorry, GST. This one GST. Now we move our product into that storage type. We move our product. I am coming with one more test case now. And first coming to ECC, extend our product to AGST. MMSC. AGST. Now I am coming from one test case, coming with VL31N GST. Three products. please bear another 5 minutes. Now 11040 is distributed. Come to delivery processing. This one inbound delivery. Yeah, as usual we do the goods received against this one. You can find out F1 here, F1 start type. Now I am doing goods received and go to MMBE, 3 quantities. MMBE. Say here earlier 5 was there, now this one. Now I am doing put away into our this thing, GST storage type, put away 3 quantities, right? Yeah, GST storage type. Follow on functions, warehouse task, default values, GST. I'm moving into GST bin, confirm plus save. Confirm it. Come to monitor, stock and bin, physical stock, product is same, Z2, GST stocks. See here, GST bin, it is updated to GST stock Z2. Come to ECC, refresh, GST separate. Okay, here key role is availability group. Key role is availability group. Okay, this is about the stock management. Okay, maybe tomorrow or something, sometime, just I will show you remaining not transactions, what is available, Q1, B1, and etc. Okay, this thing. Okay.
Okay, so if you maintain directly this GST in IBD, so it goes directly to this place, right?
Yes, exactly. But yeah, here that you can practice and let me know the result. Oh, okay. I will explain you. I will give you one overview. Yes, your question is it possible to maintain the GST in uh, inbound
IBD.
delivery IBD of the ECC system? Okay, just create one purchase order and inbound delivery against on this GST. Okay, but coming to this inbound delivery notification and inbound delivery, you will get one error like what you are getting 1010 movement type, right? That goods
Yeah.
movement is GR zone is coming against our this one, against our inbound sorry, warehouse process type that is there, so that will pick first. Okay, uh, if you want to manage it with our GST storage type to warehouse process type, there you will get another error that storage type should be managed with the role staging area group. That also
Oh,
you can get some error. Then how is it possible to work with single storage location means? Okay, say we cannot maintain any these things what staging area groups are directly in the warehouse process type, but in strategies or dynamic storage bin determination, one of our friend asked, right? Against that we manage this. Against that we manage these kind of things. Okay. Yeah.
Here, last questions I have different. So we have F1, F2, and FZ. So stock is available in unrestricted area.
Yeah,
During
correct.
picking, which stock is going to be a pick?
Yes, exactly. Uh, in sales order, it would require to give one storage location, right?
Yeah.
Depends on that storage location that can determine.
If it is F1, it is going to pick F1. If it
Yes,
is
exactly.
F2, it is going to pick F2.
You have to
Is that
exactly.
combination?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay, so
Exactly.
here in this case, then again, why we are maintaining F1, F2, FZ here? Like final put away, we have done it F2 earlier.
Okay.
Then now we have done, we have inbounded for Z.
Yes, exactly.
So,
Why
so
means see, there
the
is no
confusion I had here.
no no no
Yeah.
no no no. There is no restriction to go with a single storage location or multiple storage location. There is no restriction. Our intention is how we manage the stock between the storage location. Okay, and just create a single storage location and do a simple transaction. You will get a clear idea. Okay, this thing.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, that's one. Our intention is to understand the this one stock management. There is no restriction. I can go with a single storage location, or else I can go with 100 storage locations. That is my choice. Okay, there is no restriction. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks.
Okay, sir. Yeah. According to our purchase order or sales order or whatever it may be, depends on the storage location only. Our stocks should be determined. Okay, that's why availability group is the interface between the ECC and the EWM at storage location level. Okay, single storage location you can practice, or someone can execute any transaction if they are getting any error. We can demonstrate in our class. Okay, single storage location. Okay,
Sure, sir.
yeah.
Sure,
Thank
sir.
you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for attending the session. Have a nice day. Bye.